In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Casio AQ-230 strap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to adjust the strap on this particular model of Casio watch. Keep in mind that these instructions will most likely also apply for other general models as well. So this particular one will have this strap going around the individual links. It is going to have an arrow like this and an opening where you can insert a knife or another tool. So in order to adjust the strap, you will actually have to use this sliding tool. So it is going to be locked in place and you will need to open this latch to actually slide it to where you want to adjust it to. So insert a tool into this hole or this opening here. This can be a knife, this can be a screwdriver, anything you have. The purpose of this is to pull it up. So insert a knife in the hole like this or any other tool that suits it and then pull it up. Once you pull it up, this flap will become open, and with the flap open like this, you will now be able to slide it around. So slide it up, slide it down, and put it in the correct position. You will be able to close it by simply using your finger, so you don't need a tool to close it. And it is going to lock itself in place. Once it has been locked, it is going to stop sliding, meaning that you will be able to find and position it on the appropriate slot for your wrist size. So once it has been positioned, it is going to be locked once more by redoing the latch, and now you will be able to use it without any inconveniences. So it is easy to set up, and unlike other models where you have to take apart the individual links and mess with the pins and so on, this one simply uses this strap. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Casio AQ-230 strap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.